Good afternoon, students. So in this video, I'm going to explain the very important question they have asked in the year 2017 question paper of Bangalore University. So this is very simple problem and very easy problem. You can solve this problem within 5 minutes. So this is very easy. So we'll start to solve now. The first you can do is a working note. So you can see here actual direct wages means actual direct wages is your actual cost. So you can also take here actual cost is equal to 2000. Next you can see standard hours. This is also we want. So standard hours is 8000 hours and standard rate is 30 paise. So they are not mentioned about the standard cost of a labor, right? The standard cost of labor is equal to standard hour into standard rate. So standard hour into standard rate is a simplification of your standard cost. Now we can solve standard hour is 8000 hours into the standard rate is 30 paise, right? It is 0.30 equals to 8000 multiplies with 0.30. So it will come to 2400. So this is 2400 is your standard cost. Next they have given with actual hours worked, that is actual hours is equal to 8200 hours, which is the actual hours worked. But the thing is that we don't know regarding the actual rate. So when you're going to find out the actual rate is equal to, you can see here actual cost is 2000 rupees, actual hours worked is 8200, right? So 2000 is your actual cost and 8200 is the actual hours worked. So if we want to know about actual rate, so we have to divide actual cost divided by actual hours, that is 2000 divided by 8200. So is equal to, we will get around 0.2439. So this is your actual rate. Now we have to solve the problem. So this is very important. So when you know about what is actual cost, what is the standard cost, what is the standard hour, what is the actual hour, and what is the standard rate and actual rate, it becomes very easy to solve the problem. First we have to find labor cost variance. Labor cost variance is equal to standard cost minus actual cost. So you already found out that what is a standard cost and actual cost. Standard cost here 2400, actual cost is 2000. Therefore 2400 minus 2000 equals to, which is favorable variance. So it becomes very easy if you already knew about what is the actual cost, actual hour, and standard cost, standard hour, standard rate, and actual rate. Next is labor rate variance. Labor rate variance equals to standard rate minus actual rate multiplies with actual hour. Equals to, so you can see what is the standard rate here, that is 30 paise, 0.30 minus what is the actual rate here, you can see a 0.2439 paise, that is 2439. Next is your actual hour. What is the actual hour worked? That is 8,200 hours. 8,200 hours. This is actual hours worked. So see, it simplifies with, right, 0.30 minus 0.2439, that is 0.0561. So it multiplies with 8,200 means, so it will come up to 460, around the round figure 460, which is again a favorable variance. And the next one is labor efficiency variance. Labor efficiency variance is equal to standard hour minus actual hour multiplies with standard rate, equals to, you can see here the standard hour is 8,000 hours, actual hour is 8,200, and your standard rate is, the standard rate is 30 paise. So we'll solve the problem now. The standard hour is 8,000 hours. The actual hour is 8,200 hours. Multiplies with standard rate is 0.30, that is 30 paise. So equals to 8,000 minus 8,200, it is minus 2,000 minus 200, which is multiplies with 0.30, that is 30 paise. So is equal to 200 multiplies with 30 paise, that is adverse variance of 60, which is adverse variance. So this is how we are going to solve the problem of 6 marks which they have asked in 2017 question paper. The one more problem they have asked in the same question paper, that is the, so this question they have asked for 14 marks as a 2 section. You can see here, using the following information calculate labor cost variance, labor rate variance, labor efficiency variance, and they have given the required information, which is standard hour is 4,000 hours, actual hour is 5,000 hours, actual wage rate rupees 3 per hour, actual wage rate rupees 2.50 per hour. The standard wage rate also given and the actual wage rate also given, right? So we'll start the problem now. The first is labor cost variance. So therefore the labor cost variance is equal to standard cost minus actual cost of a labor. So standard cost is equal to standard hours into standard rate, right? The standard hours here is 4,000 hours into the standard rate is 3 per hour. Therefore 4,000 multiplies with 3, it is 12,000. Next is actual cost of a labor. Actual cost of labor is equal to actual hours multiplies with actual rate, that is 2.50 per hour. Therefore 5,000 multiplies with 2.50, that is actual rate per hour. Therefore actual cost will be 12,500. Now we'll solve the problem. Standard cost minus actual cost. Standard cost is 12,000 and actual cost is 12,500 is equal to, the difference is minus 500, which is adverse variance, means it is a negative impact of a variance. Next is labor rate variance. Labor rate variance is equal to standard rate minus actual rate multiplies with actual hour. So you can see here the standard rate is 3 per hour, actual rate is 2.50 per hour, actual hour is 5000. Standard rate is 3 minus actual rate is 2.5 per hour into the actual hour is 5000 hours. So 3 minus 2.5, that is minus 0.5, minus 0.5, so multiplies with 5000 equals to 2500, which is favorable variance. And the next one is labor efficiency variance. Labor efficiency variance means how much efficient hours we have, that is standard hour minus actual hour into standard rate equals to standard hour is your standard hour is 4000 hours minus actual hour is 5000 hours multiplies with the standard rate is 3 per hour is equal to 4000 minus 5000, that is minus 1000 into 3, that is minus 3000, which is adverse variance. So this type of question they may ask for 14 marks section, but they have split the questions. So as of 6 marks section, they will split the question from labor variance section. Thank you, students.